Napanood mo ba ang speak ni Mr. Hararoki about antivirus? The Supreme Court just not school of the law but just speaking real. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-aral to opinion for handle for brain people. Also, intelligence. It's not a school degree because and our other people, whatever brain, to hear the chains. Opinion is most difficult symptoms of people opinion other for hurting because it's destroy what I'm going to write for school and with the respect that it's not approval because for guidelines for your good manners is right kind of like is educated is real to write parang hindi naman yata totoo na totoo lang yung mga pinag-aralan yun ang totoong bastos what do you think your mouth and very sticky. This is better than sure. Vlogger opinion, TikTok influencer, and politics is about the Sara, the 30 impeachment is a crime sense, murderer, the drug war, the 30, because the 30 is tied to ICC over all and all believe and all men's. Because she's old man, she's disgusting. And experience to the Philippines work in Filipino people to me. Is really bad like that. Kaya, may lugar silang kakalagyan. Bulag ubingi. But it's wrong doing to me. What happened? Bye. Got home. What the hell is going on? I had personal work in the Philippines all this problem. Yet Filipino hit ever since. Impeachment for the 30 is begun. Because serious, talk to whatever Bato de la Rosa na taong bayan sa population of other people opinion. Ang daming tao sa mundo. This is a problem because nga, problema din ako sa work ko dahil sa amo ko ding abusado. Kailangan din maturuan ng leksyon because over there something problem. Kaya let's break it on to fight. Matira matibay kasi mamamatay sa atin. The quick level will happen for war and revolution for time because now Russia is earthquake again. Ginambol to Israel and Ukraine to World War. Parusa sa kanila ng God yan. Big karma, right? Oh my gosh, should bold and over the evil over here. Disgusting about you. Okay, got a haul.
Sa bagay, paligsahan kayo ni Yussi Claire, pero hindi bagay, te. Wag, itigil mo yung ganyan mo. Bakit kami? Hindi bagay, te. Pang maganda lang yung ganun.
Bakit kami? Ba't kami may kasalanan?
Bakit kami? Hindi ka bagay magpa-cute. Hindi, wag kang gumanyan ganyan. Huwag kang umangas ng ganyan, te. Sa bagay, paligsahan kayo ni Yussi Claire, pero hindi bagay, te. Wag, itigil mo yung ganyan mo. Bakit kami? Hindi bagay, te. Pang maganda lang yung ganun.
Bakit kami? Ba't kami may kasalanan?
Bakit kami? Hindi ka bagay
mga nagyayabang dyan na sabi nila gusto daw ng taong bayan na ito ay talagang magkakaroon ng agad ng impeachment, taong bayan ginagamit. I don't know kung sinong taong bayan yung sabi nila. Kaya please, do not use the term taong bayan palagi because taong bayan is hindi lang kayo. There are always two sides of the coin. Bakit ba? Wala bang value yung mga taong bayan na nagsasabi na ayaw namin ng impeachment? Gusto nila, ang ibabalyo ng Senado ay yung mga tao lang na nagsasabi na forthwith kuno yung impeachment na yan. Kalimutan na natin yung ibang tao na majority na nagsasabi na ayaw namin ng impeachment dahil panggugulo lang yan sa ating bansa. Lalo tayo nagiging divided. Lalo nasisira ang ating ekonomiya. Mga investors umaalis na dahil ang gulo ng Pilipinas. So yun lang po, Mr. President. I am 101% supporting you. What's your stand, Mr. President? Thank you, Mr. President.
Be nice. Be nice and be loving to people. Yun ang hinihingi ni Lord. Mahalin mo ang kapwa mo kahit yung madungis na yan, yung pulubi na yan, na nanlilimahin, o yung tumutulo ang sipon, o kaya mabaho na siya, madumi na siya. Embrace like what Mother Teresa did to the poor. In spite of all my problems, my mga pagsubok sa buhay, I'm all alone. Wala akong hinihinga na iba, not even my family. I'm all alone. Nakita niyo ang grasya. Sa edad kong 79, ilan ang pelikulang ginagawa ko? Ilan ang TV shows ko? Ilan ang kumukuha sa akin? At bakit ako malakas? This is impossible sa isang 79.